it's Claudette and Danielle with Claudette's Charms. This is my youngest daughter, Danielle. She's joining me today because we are having fun with yarn. Fun with yarn! Yay! Okay, so we are into knitting looms right now, and we started with this little baby. This is by Craft Smart. It's a 22 peg, and Margaret Olander from Sheepishly Sharing. I can't say that. I'll put her link.
Sheepishly Sharing.
Yeah, there you go. I'll put her link down below, but she did, some reviews on some different knitting looms, and she highly recommended this, like, off-brand nothing one. I mean, it's not nothing, but anyway. Put it down. It was super cheap, $19.99 on Amazon.
So here's what she made with
and
this.
Here's what I made.
Super cute.
Little
oh my gosh.
creamy beanies with pom-poms.
Look how cute.
This is for twins. No, wait. This isn't for twins. Sorry. This is for a girl, obviously.
This one.
And then these two are for little preemie twins, a girl and a boy. Aren't they adorbs?
So cute.
So that was so fun.
On your headband?
Yes. And then I made a headband on the small one. And of course we had to buy a big one because Danielle wants a hat.
Yeah, these
and I want to make some hats. But this was on the little one. Isn't it cute? And this I hand crocheted. The little rosette.
So cute.
And that was also on Margaret's channel, The Rose. So I'll attach the flower video.
All right.
Down below too.
So anyway, now what we're going to do today.
So yeah.
Unbox this baby.
Yay!
What is it called? Knitting machine.
Okay, it's just like the Sentro, I hope. The Sentro had wonderful videos. I'll link some down below. Margaret also recommended it. But this one is by Jam It, and I found it on Amazon because it didn't have a 8 to 10 week delivery thing. I got it in like 3 days. The other ones weren't coming until October or November. So that's the Sentro one. This also has the 48 needles like the Sentro, and it's got the row counter like the Sentro. Oh, sorry. And it's got the, oh boy. Okay, we're new at videos. It's got the row counter like the Sentro right here, and it's got 48 needles. So that's why I wanted it. Okay, so we're gonna unbox it. Yay!
Okay.
And we might attempt a hat. We're not sure.
Yeah.
So let's see how this goes. Oh, now they can't see anything.
That's okay. We're going to show them as we unbox it.
Okay. Oh, there you go.
Should I try to do this?
Okay. We're going to angle this so you can see Danielle.
Okay.
There. Okay.
It's over there. Are they going to be able to see it? Or should tilt it down?
I'm going to tilt the phone down. Sorry, guys. Bear with us.
Wait, I forgot a tape.
Oh, that's the wrong tilter.
It's just looking at me. Okay.
Wait, how do you do this?
Katie! Get my pants.
Oh, this way?
My pants don't match this top. You're getting my pants! Turn it this way.
Danielle!
Turn it towards the box.
Okay.
Cut all this out.
Okay, can you see it?
I'm unboxing it.
Can you see it, though?
No.
Oh. Whoops, we're going to have to edit.
Can't you just move the camera?
This way? This way?
There, yeah, there.
Okay.
Okay. I've unboxed it, as you can see. Here we have
brother,
some
this
stuff.
is a disaster. Okay, wait.
Whoa.
Okay, let's turn it this way. There we go.
Okay. Oh,
Now the doggies can play.
It's a very lovely color of pink and
Yes.
white. A rose, one would say.
Again, just like the Sentro. And
Not getting paid for this.
there's legs. We have to put legs on it. Legs! So we might have to do the tutorial later.
We might have to have Mom do the legs. Since
And it
I'm not
comes
capable.
with all this yarn, these little medium worsted weight yarns.
Did it come with this one?
It came with 4 of them. So that's a good
So
starter
cute.
kit for somebody.
Comes with instructions. Very important.
It is supposed to be a toy, but these toys actually make really cool things. So yeah, Danielle, get to work on those legs.
Okay, so I'm gonna first take the legs out of the wrapper.
Oh, you don't have to do it on camera, but what are these? Oh, you know what these are? It comes with free pom-pom makers.
Oh, that's
yay!
so cute.
I'm excited about that.
These look like they're from another world.
Okay, so I guess the only thing you have to screw on are the suction cups. So maybe we can just pop the legs.
Oh, but then what's this?
That's the tension guider thing.
And then the needle. Oh, also a pretty rose color. I love how cute this is.
Here's the little eye of the needle.
Oh, look how many little things they give you. Okay, they
Yeah.
give you like 4
They even give you
No, wait. 3
long
needles.
needles. That's good.
Very long.
For when you have to take it off the
And then a crochet hook.
crochet hook.
And a little screwdriver. How cute.
She calls me Claudette Crocheter. But somebody already stole that name, so. The Canadian Crocheter stole my name.
Oh, this is easier
Oh, look,
than the
she
little
knows how to
baby
do
one.
this.
You just pop them in.
Yeah.
The baby one was a nightmare.
So you do have to screw on the suction cups. It comes with suction cups too to keep it on the table, which is really important when you're
A crazy person.
turning. Yeah, when you're turning the thing.
Where does this go?
Okay, so turn this.
This is
Okay, so we got
cute.
that
I'm gonna
done.
make hats.
Now that goes over here. This is the tension guide thingamabob. After you load your yarn, you want to use this. So let's see. I'm not sure how this goes. This way, probably. Yeah. I don't want to break this. Okay, I have to stand up. Don't look. Okay. Oh, there. Okay, so this just pops in too. So there we go.
Fancy. What's
Here's
this
our
thing?
Janet. This is our row counter.
Oh, how
Very
nice.
importante. So the little one does not have a row counter.
Row counter. See?
Just like the Sentro. This is like identical to how the Sentro looks. Let's hope it's identical to how the Sentro works. Okay, should we do it?
I'm sure it will be. Yeah.
Should we just
do
try it?
What do we do?
Okay, so first of all, we want to put it on T for tube. Okay, got that.
Well, let's show them. Like, what if
Oh,
somebody's trying
sorry.
to do this with you?
Sorry.
I don't know. Are they?
There might be beginners, but there's all kinds of videos.
I
on
wouldn't
YouTube.
watch this one if you're a
Yeah.
beginner.
Okay, so T for tube, and then
Okay.
go ahead and get the yarn that you like.
Oh, wait. Is this for my hat?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wait. What do I want? I think I want this one.
Oh, no.
This is
No,
cute.
this is crappy yarn.
Oh, okay.
Well, excuse me, but it is compared to this. Remember, we bought this for you.
Okay, but I don't really like that.
Oh, you don't?
I like this color.
You picked it out. Oh, okay.
How would this look on my head? Actually, really cute. Okay, fine. This one will work.
Or we can use that one for
No,
a
this one's
starter
cute.
if you want. Okay, this is the
Which one do we want
Madala
to destroy?
Ombre, and this is the one I picked out for her. But maybe we should start with the
You
other
want to start with one of these?
Since you have never done one
Let's
before.
start with this one.
Okay,
I
so
like
we're gonna
this.
start with this that came with it.
I like this color.
There we go. So you're supposed to take the yarn from the middle of
Do you
the
want
skein.
them to see you?
No, it's
They
okay.
just see the bottom half of my face.
It's okay. So from the middle of the skein, okay. I've only done a few of these, so we'll see.
Okay.
Here, we'll wind it a little bit this way. So we're gonna drop this in here.
Okay.
Now what you wanna do too is, we gotta wind this around, where's the white needle? Okay, we want the white needle to start with. See, we need to put the suction cups, but we'll just at least get it started.
Okay.
Okay, so you throw the beginning thingamajiggy in, leave about, 8 to 10 inches at the bottom. Okay, can you see? Here, we're gonna,
Yeah, this is good.
okay, Danielle, you wanna start this? So what you do, let me just make sure they can see. See the white hook? We're gonna start with that. And we're gonna just place our ball right here. Here, we'll place it over here. Wind out some so you have some tension. Okay, and then you start, I'll start it and then Danielle can do it. You start it with the white hook and then you go behind the next hook. So I don't know if you can see that.
Good.
Okay, so we're starting with that, going around this one. Then you wind.
You can't see that.
You can't?
No.
Oh.
Because it's coming
Oh.
from that angle.
Okay, so guess you can't see what
So
we're
it
doing.
goes around the next one? Or
Yeah.
does it skip?
It goes behind, you skip the next one.
Okay, well, they don't need to see everything.
And then,
Watch tutorial.
okay, this is not a tutorial, guys.
This is
They
just
can
us trying it.
You can kind of see. Okay. So, behind that one, and then in front of the next one. Oh my gosh, where's the next one? Okay, so as you wind, the next one
then it
comes
will
up.
appear.
Okay.
And not
So then go behind Danielle and then Go behind that one.
Oh, behind it? Wait.
Behind this one.
Oh, behind that one.
And then in front of the next one.
And then behind the next one. Okay. Well, it's going a little fast.
Okay, sorry.
It's okay. Keep going.
You sure you did it behind?
I don't know. It happened so quick.
Okay.
Well,
so you start out slow.
Hurry up. It's taking...
And then, like your third row or so, you can start going faster. But you got to make sure you pull out a lot of yarn. Not a lot, but you know, enough.
Yes.
As soon as it starts getting tight, the yarn, this thing will start being annoying. Okay.
Here we go. We're doing it. This is going to be the cute.
We're doing it, peeps.
A big hat, though. Wait, this looks like a huge hat.
Well.
Is this the size of the hat?
Yeah.
What? Wait, why?
I don't know. Just don't worry about it.
How do we?
It might be a hat for a giant.
My hat.
Oh shoot.
How do we make it smaller?
This is for adult hats. Oh, we did skip a few in the very beginning. That's why you're supposed to use waste yarn, but it's okay. I know how to fix drop stitches.
Do you know how to fix giant
Waste
hat?
yarn is you use this other yarn that you don't like, and then you use your real yarn. You go like 5 rows with a different yarn in case you mess up.
Do they want to look at this? Do they want to look at you? Like, I feel like they're
no, they don't want to look at me.
The bottom of my face.
It's fine.
Just gonna make them see something.
Okay, I can't spin this really fast because it's got no feet on it. It doesn't go really. Oh, it's wine. It's screwed up.
It's stuck. Oh God, what happened?
Okay.
Okay,
on,
why don't we turn the video off, finish it, and then we'll show them the finished part.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay, bye.
Be back.
Okay, so Danielle finished her hat. This is it, the one I'm wearing. And Rue finished his hat on the Sentro, well, the Jammet knitting machine, which is really like a Sentro. Doesn't he look adorable? Anyway, that's what we've been up to. Mwah. Practicing on our knitting machines. And I wanted to show you, it's very particular, the big one that I got. It doesn't like thicker yarns. So I started to do this and it dropped stitches at the end. So I'm going to try to fix it because I made this cute flower. So I wanted a hat to go with it. Okay, you can't really see it. Hold on. Isn't it cute? I'm going to put like a button in the middle. And this was going to be a hat. But now I'm not sure what I'm going to do. So I have to fix it. There's a way to fix the drop stitches on the machine, which since this happened, I have learned to do. If you guys want tutorials on how to do these, just let me know. Let me show you Danielle's hat that she finished. Fix my gorgeous hair. No makeup today, sorry guys. Anyway, this is it. There was only a couple of problems with it. There was some drop stitches. We hid them inside. Anyway, I'm gonna do fingerless gloves on my small one to match. This yarn was the Madala Spark yarn. It seems to like that yarn. I did try Red Heart Super Saver on a couple of small projects that I haven't decided what they're gonna be yet, just because I was testing the yarn. And it seemed to do okay, as long as it's the smaller, like the 4 worsted weight is fine, but it has to be the thinner 4. Not the thick, like the ombre did not work at all. And 3K is the best, 3 weight, and lower seems to be better. So anyway, if you guys want, let me know and I'll do some tutorials on how to use the knitting machines, both sizes as I learn more. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.